Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's adventure we are going to be going to the Madison County Nature Trail in Huntsville, Alabama. This is one of my all-time favorite places to go on a nice stroll through the woods. It has just so much cute stuff throughout the woods. It's also got some pretty water views and it's got a covered bridge that's really pretty to go across as well. And I'm meeting two of my friends there, so I will see you there. We have arrived, and I am parked right by this amazing fire tower here, which I don't think you could go up, but that would be really cool. Ugh, don't want to see either two of those. Nasty. So right coming in now the parking lot is a little Chaffin shade garden. So not much to it, it's just kind of a little loopy trail here. Kind of like gravel sand. I don't know what this material is. But of course, usually in the springtime, this area is really pretty. Lots of flowers. Right now, everything's turning to fall, so as you see, everything is starting to fall on the ground. We'll just do a little quick loopy loop of this while I wait on my buds to get here. Well, hello, little Jesus. So this is the end of the shade garden trail. As you can see, not much to it. Good little serenity trail though. A little warm up before you start the main trail. Now I will take y'all down here to the lake area. Pretty sure this lake is man-made since we're on top of a mountain. And you can actually go fishing here. Lots and lots of picnic tables. So come out here and have a little picnic lunch. So I'm on this little deck area here. The trail is a loop trail, so technically you could probably start from either end. I usually start from somewhere over here. It goes kind of splits where you can see a couple things, but the trail winds around the whole lake here, and there's just fun stuff just hidden all throughout it. Ends back over in that area. It's the covered bridge. You can see it a little peeking out over there. And then brings you back to the picnic table area. It's not too hard of a hike. And like I said, it's really pretty and just a lot of fun stuff to see along the way. All right, my buds are here.
Hi!
That's Aaron and Sarah.
Hello!
And they're admiring the view that I was admiring a while ago.
It's gorgeous.
We're looking at all the pretty leaves changing. Look at you can see the covered bridge over there, Aaron. You see it? Way over there.
Oh yes. You can walk up through that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Let's go, guys.
Mm. Is that the one that was throwing the acorns at us?
So you're the culprit.
Bye.
A lot of history.
What does it say, Sarah?
The most common type of still found in North Alabama was a groundhog still. This replica is typical of that type still. It consisted of a tank buried in the ground with a burner around the tank. The tank was filled with mash, corn, water, and sugar, and allowed to ferment, usually for 5 to 7 days. Depending on the amount of sugar and the weather conditions, then the burner was lit and the temperature was carefully controlled. As the batch was cooked, the steam condensed in the copper warm, thus producing white lightning. It was placed in containers, and the rest of the story is now for your imagination.
White lightning?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that is OG moonshine. So it's legit.
Huh.
Should go over there and see if there's any left in the tap.
Yep.
That's the spring house that feeds the moonshine.
That's where my dead dog is.
Is it still flowing at all or no?
It doesn't look like
This
there's
is do not
anything.
drink. Oh, sorry.
It
Do
says
not
do
drink
not drink.
spring
There is
water.
no spring water. Oh my
It's
goodness.
nothing. It's completely dry.
I wonder if when it rains it starts flowing again.
Yeah. I want to check it out.
Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. So here's the chapel.
So sad.
Maybe something.
Oh, someone is shoeless.
Those are like nice shoes. I'm gonna chalk them.
Get you some, girl.
There's the little Jesus, of course there is.
Oh,
Oh, there
Jesus is here.
There used to be a lecture in here.
You know, I want to say,
Huh.
sorry, there's the pews. I want to say I read somewhere that every now and then someone will actually do like service here.
Really?
You look like the preacher up there. You need to preach. Thou shalt not.
There's also Jesus on the Bible.
Oh, I love that they left a Bible here.
Open to Psalm 32, 33, and 34.
Oh, I love that smell of the wood.
Oh yeah, that's good cedar.
Oh, it's so good.
Like in
Mhm.
the long kind of,
Yeah.
probably in the 30s.
Wouldn't you love to have like church in the woods?
Yeah, I love that. I definitely would. Huh.
Yeah.
This is
That's the
interesting.
way to do it.
My name's probably.
Pretty. Good girl. No, you're good.
COVID chair.
That's who has COVID sits in his chair. Another Jesus. Is this gonna be like a little scavenger hunt? How many Jesuses do you find on the trail? Or Jesus? Plural for Jesus. Jesuses. You got the chapel song in your head now. It's so easy to get stuff stuck in your head.
I know. I don't know how to do that. And it's like just stays there.
That is some orange water.
Yeah, it is. What is the makes the orange
What?
color? Is that iron or
That is like orange. Goes all the way up there. Oh, I love the sound though. Ooh, gosh. These acorns, man. I mean, look how big they are. It's like getting hit in the head with a coconut. One of these things is going to kill us. You just hear them falling. So we are assuming this is the depot. Oh, with another little bridge.
Oh, cute. Cute. Wow, it just keeps going.
Is it full of water? Is it full of mail? Oh, can you do it? Does it work? Oh, it's got no handle. Boo. That would have been fun.
What is it? It's like a well.
What, a trough?
Yeah, a trough. There you go.
Look how smart.
Back in the day.
The little bridge is cute. So where does all that go?
Let's see.
Ooh, it looks like it could be a labyrinth.
It kind of does.
Yeah.
Why is it not orange here, guys?
Oh gosh, there's a spider web literally just right going across.
Oh, right there.
Yeah. Oh, look at the little
This is
creek.
better. This is a nice little creek.
Mm-hmm. Definitely not orange.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, just listen to the sounds.
I know. So peaceful. Except for the one random bird.
I'm like, listen. See, there's some of the bird houses.
Huh?
Some of the bird houses, they're kind of like hidden, like way up high. See, there's one. And you gotta really look for them because they're like just hidden. Yeah.
Cute.
And there's one somewhere on this side. I don't see it.
Wow.
Look at the old farm equipment. Another bird house.
There you go. 1800?
Let's go see what's in the wishing well. Absolutely nothing. Ooh.
I thought that was you making that noise.
No.
See one? The store is very filled right there.
Someone left some water. What else up there? Nice little rocking chair with the one arm missing.
They both have an arm missing. They both have arms missing.
Oh, maybe that's the style.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm blinded by the sun. Oh, you're never gonna get that untangled.
It's preservable work.
Oh, you are not.
Forgot. I don't know what the last word was.
We have made it to the historic Cambrian covered bridge.
You did that one in Coleman, right?
Do you want a picture here?
Mhm.
Yes.
Oh, the one in Coleman's like super pretty.
Did they drive cars
Ooh.
with it? Or horses?
Covered wagons.
Plaque right here. It says something. Oh, it's just a bench.
Ooh. See any turtles?
I think those were acorns falling.
I think they were
noise?
too.
That noise was the same noise over there. Mind your way. Okay, you're gonna get. Oh, there. Stupid.
There he is. Oh, he is coming up.
Mm-hmm.
Something just crawled into a hole right there.
Where?
Right here.
Like slithery?
I don't know. I just saw the tail end of it.
That's
Here.
comforting.
What is it? You find a snake?
Something crawled into a hole right there.
Oh.
And we have
That's sweet.
Little man.
made it back.
Oh, that's funny, that little man.
Back to the picnic tables.
This is super cute.
All right, well, we made it back in one piece.
Yes.
What y'all think of the trail? You've been here before. It's your first time.
It was my first time. I loved it.
Beautiful,
beautiful.
here.
Always.
Yes.
Here.
Always.
I like the covered bridge. It's my favorite.
We'll definitely have to come back when the leaves are more orangey. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye.
Oh